What did mammals gain by evolving to be warm-blooded, and what did we lose? We gained the ability to be active in any terrain and at any time, but we lost our energy freedom. Being warm-blooded is like constantly having to burn firewood just to keep your internal furnace at the perfect temperature. This requires a colossal amount of fuel, which is why a mammal needs to eat anywhere from 5 to 20 times more food than a cold-blooded animal of the same size. While a snake can eat one big meal and chill for months, we are on a constant, relentless treadmill of hunting and eating. But the trade-off was absolutely worth it. A stable, high body temperature allows for the evolution of more complex nervous systems, leading to advanced traits like deep emotions and even sex for pleasure, something incredibly rare in nature and almost exclusive to warm-blooded animals like humans and dolphins. But the real killer app of being warm-blooded is our built-in defense against fungus. Most fungi thrive in cooler temperatures, between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. A mammal's internal body temperature, which is consistently over 32 degrees Celsius, is like a scorching desert where most fungi can't survive. This makes us virtually immune to the kind of devastating fungal plagues that create zombie insects and wipe out entire populations of cold-blooded amphibians and reptiles. And this brings us to the greatest heist in the history of Earth. 65 million years ago, the asteroid hit, killing the dinosaurs and leaving a massive power vacuum. The two contenders left were the warm-blooded mammals and the cold-blooded reptiles. But the asteroid also created an impact winter, a dark, cool, and damp world that was the perfect breeding ground for fungus.
The reptiles were getting hammered from two sides. The cold made them sluggish, and the rampant fungi were infecting them without mercy. But the mammals? We were fine. We made our own heat to survive the cold, and our internal furnace acted as a perfect fungal shield. It was a planetary tag team takedown. The fungi went on a rampage, and our mammal ancestors were there to clean up the mess. So, in the end, that massive energy cost, the very weakness of being warm-blooded, became our greatest strength. It forced us into a constant state of hustling and outcompeting everyone else for food, a relentless evolutionary pressure that ultimately produced the most energy-hungry, world-changing thing of all, the human brain.